Let us solve this problem out here. It was asked in CAT 2024. In slot 2, question number was 14. The problem says that the coordinates of three vertices of a triangle are 1, 2, 7, 2, and 1, 10. Then the radius of the incircle of these triangles. So please have a look at it. So there are three vertices of a triangle. Say for example, this is point A, which is 1, 2. And the second one is over here, which is, say for example, it is B, and the coordinate of B is 7, 2. So y coordinates of A and B are same. So they both, so this is going to be a line which is parallel to y axis, isn't it? And then you have got another coordinate which is C, and the value of C is given to you as 1, 10. What is the interpretation of 1, 10? Have a look at it. So x coordinate over here is 1 and 1. So what does that mean? Line AC is parallel to line, not line, x-axis. This is how it looks like. So will you be able to find out the distance out here of AC? And that is nothing but, if you look at it, this is 8 units. And here 7 minus 1, that is going to be 6 units. So if I draw this hypotenuse out here of this triangle, probably this, since this is a right angle triangle, as I said that this line AC is parallel to x-axis, line AB is parallel to y-axis, and this is 6, 8. So obviously the length of hypotenuse is going to be 10, isn't it? Now once it is done, what is that they're asking you? Then the radius of incircle of the triangle, radius of incircle. So there has to be a circle which is inside this triangle. It is something like this, and say this is the center of the circle. So over here this is going to be 90 degree, over here this is going to be 90 degree, and here because it is 90 degree. This line AB out here is the chord, line AC is also the chord at this point, and line AB is chord at this point. And since this is the center, we can say that all of them are radius. Is this okay? If this is the case, please understand this. This is a square out here. If this is R, this is R, all of them, all the internal angles are 90 degree. So this one is going to be R, and then this one is also R. Understand this point. Say from here to here, have a look at it. This length will have to be equal to this length. Do we have the clarity? So this one will have to be equal to this, and this one will have to be equal to this. That is the property of circle. Now if this is R, obviously this is going to be what? 6 minus R. So this will be 6 minus R. So this entire length of AC is 8, and this one is R. So this length out here, from here to here, it is 8 minus R. And if this is 8 minus R, from here to here also this is 8 minus R. And this entire sum is given to us as 6 minus R plus 8 minus R, and that you know for sure is 10. So 14 negative 2 times of R is equal to 10. So what is the value of R? It is going to be about 4 by 2, which is nothing but 2 units. So what is the radius of incircle of the triangle? It is 2 unit. Simple, eh? Another thing that you should be aware of is, if say this length is AB, and this length is AC, and this length is BC, then the formula for in radius is what? AB plus AC negative BC divided by 2. If you know this formula, probably you would be able to do it. Even if you do not know, and you have basic understanding of as to how circles, the basic properties of circle, you can do it, right? That's it.